Alright, fellas, this is the video for this filler number 5. Look for top spot. Answers to the main. We are live. 843. 843. List here, 10 entries. Pete on the top, Sheldon on the bottom. 2 dice, 5 or higher. That's 7 times 844. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. You got Sheldon on the top. You have to go 7. Good luck at 844. 844. Last and final roll. Top spot. Advances to the main. Congratulations goes to spot 3, Jeffrey. Congratulations, Jeffrey. Finally got in and you got a spot. We are done. 844. 844. Congratulations, Jeffrey. Go ahead and pick your spot in the main. We are done. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. See you in the next one.